Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Salesforce FAQs. And today in this video I'm going to tell you about one of the custom report in Salesforce, that is growth report. In this video I'm going to explain you what is growth report in Salesforce and how you can create a custom growth report in Salesforce Lightning. So what is growth report in Salesforce? So in Salesforce, growth report is a custom report that we create using the opportunity object, and this visualize the sales metrics like revenues and when the opportunity was created and the customer acquisition that are changing over the time. So this growth report basically include the opportunities that are closed won, and by creating this report we can analyze how much growth was there in the increase in the number of won opportunities and the revenue generated by the opportunities in the comparison of current and the previous fiscal year, or select any time range here like fiscal year or current and previous month or current or previous year. So this was what growth report is in Salesforce. And now we will move ahead and see how we can create a custom growth report in Salesforce. So right now I have logged into my Salesforce developer org, and as of now I am on the setup page of Salesforce Lightning, and from here we will navigate to the reports tab. And for that I will click on the app launcher and here search and select reports. And if you are already in the sales application, then you can simply click on the reports tab, and as we click on the reports tab you will see this window, and here we will click on the button new report. And in this step we have to select the category and the report type for the growth report. So the growth report is created on the basis of opportunity records, so I will select the category as opportunities, and again the report type also I am going to here select as opportunities. And after selecting the category and the report type, I will click on the start report button. So to generate the records on the report table, we need to apply some filters. So to apply the filters, I will go to the filters tab. So here is the date filter, close date, and the range of the and also the range of the close date field. So you have to select the range for which you want to display the records on the report table. So in this example, I'm going to take records for the current and the previous fiscal year. So for that, I will select current and previous two fiscal year. And you can also select any other range like current and previous year on, and all the other range fields available here. And you can also select a custom date range field. For that you have to click on the custom and give the input for the date fields for which you want to generate the records. So here I'm selected the range as current and the previous fiscal year. And after selecting the range, I will click on the apply button, and then you will see there are the number of records generated on the report table. And here you can apply other filters also. So in the growth report we are going to include those opportunities that are closed won. So we will select the opportunity status as closed won and then click on the apply button. So as of now I have applied the filters, and now I will go to the outline tab, and here I will remove all the tabs that I don't need in this report. So I will remove those fields. So as of now I have removed the column that I don't need in this report, and I've kept only those columns that I need in this growth report. So here I'm going to group these records with the close date. So here in the group section, I will search and select close date. So now the records are grouped according to the close date, and I will click on the drop down of close date, and here I will select group date by calendar week, calendar month, calendar quarter, calendar year, and fiscal quarter. So you can select any of the options that are available here. So I'm selecting the option calendar quarter. So as you can see, the records are sorted according to the calendar quarter, and also you can sum the amounts of all the opportunities. Like you have to click on the summarize button and then select sum. It will create. So this is how you can include the total sum of the opportunities. By the way, it is not required to do so. And the most important part that we are going to do here is adding the summary level formula. For that I will click on the columns drop down and then select add summary level formula. So the column name that we are going to give here is growth. It is growth percentage, and the formula output type we want as percentage. And in the formula editor I'm going to enter the formula that will calculate the growth percentage from quarter to quarter. So here I'm going to enter the formula, and also I will give this formula in the video description from where you can access it. And after entering the formula we will click on the validate button to check the errors in the formula. And here it is saying that you must select a grouping context to use any report summary function. So here I will select the group. So we have grouped the records according to the close date, and here I will select the close date, and then again I will validate the formula. So as of now the formula is validated, and now I will click on the apply button. So here in the formula section you can see, so in the first quarter we won't see any growth percentage, because on the basis of this first quarter it is going to compare the growth, and it is going to show that growth in the other quarters. So as you can see, it is in minus as of now, because in my records the growth of the opportunity is in negative. So this is how you can calculate the growth percentage and create a growth report in Salesforce Lightning. So after this you have to save and run the reports, and also you can add a chart for the better visualization. For that you have to click on the add chart button, and here you can see the analytics of the reports is displayed in the chart, and you can also change the chart format by clicking on the settings icon, and from here you can select the chart format from the available options. So here the current format is bar, and I will select the column. So here you can see the report format is changed accordingly. So at last we have to save and run the report. For that I will click on the button save and run, and here we have to select the report name. So I will name it as opportunity growth, and the report unique name will be autofilled. Then we have to select the folder where we want to save this report. So I've selected the public folder, and here I will click on the button select folder, and after entering the report name, report unique name, and selecting the folder for the report, you have to click on the save button. So now the report will be saved in the selected folder, and it will run in the next window where you can see the growth analytics of the report. So this is how you can create growth report in Salesforce. And I hope that you have liked this video. Then please do like, share and subscribe us, and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get regular updates of our upcoming videos. And thank you for giving your time and watching this video till last. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.